Ooh, ooh, ooh. And damn it, boy, we back again. Yeah, we back again with another video. My finger's not working. Hold on. Oh yeah, you like that shit? Oh, check this one out. There it is. Y'all thought I wasn't gonna get it, huh? Oh, but yeah. So I already started drinking. Sorry, I needed the goddamn energy. It is 3:14 in the afternoon on a Saturday, but we sipping that goddamn Celsius strawberry kiwi. Oh, whoa! By the way, if you sip Snapple strawberry and kiwi, boy, that shit is cracked just like this. But now it's officially cracked. But yeah, trust me, I wiped it like I wiped my ass, but we're gonna do it again with the goddamn. Oh, oh, oh. Spit aside, clean it like you wipe your ass, twist it. Oh yeah. Oh, I feel the energy. Yeah. But yeah, by the way, so the video we gonna do today, the song's been out for a couple weeks, few weeks, a month. I don't know, I can't remember. But the song go hard. There it is again. God damn it, I know y'all like that shit. But yeah, it is Billie Eilish, Birds of a Feather. Oh. Man, what is in this Celsius? It's sparkling. But yeah, let's slide to the left or to the right. Let's get this video on the road. Why does this look like a office? Or why does it look like the hospital that closed down that I was born in? California. I think it was Kaiser. I can't remember. I'm in Texas now, but I can't remember. But look at that. Look at las cortinas, las parabrisas. Oh, man. Y'all gotta do this. Yes, open them, please. They're all broken like mine. Damn it. But yeah. Oh, man. Already an old start to the video. I fucking like it. We found Billie. Yes, there she is. Oh, man. Look at the fit. Look at the fit. She hit us with the Adam Sandler. She said, I want this, I want that, I want this, I want this, I want that shoe, this shoe, that hat. And let's just throw it on me, please. But yeah, let's see. It looked like she got some dunks with my soccer socks, Kobe's tights, leggings, where her brother Finney is long sleeve and shorts. And then, is that a fitted? She's going to her head. Get off of me. It's not a fitted. Is that one of those golf hats? I think it is. Oh my God, where's the lint roller? Somebody get her. I can get it. Talking about lint, damn, I need one. I can't talk. I'm just saying. I'm sorry. But oh my God, Billie, yeah, zing, do your thing. Till I'm in the casket, you carry. If you go, I'm going to. Where are you going? Take me with you. Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue. Man, I don't know what is in this, but this shit good. Damn, I need a trim. Please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without. Oh, there they are. Are those December 25th Christmas edition dunks? Man, them dunks go hard. Let me get them bad boys off here for about $250. My baby. Oh, boy, if I did this shit in class, it's a done deal. It's a wrap. La! Birds of a feather. Oh. We should stick together. Where you going? I could do it too, Billie. You like that shit? Stop squeaking. Together, I know. I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the. It's hot in the motherfucker. The weather might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's. Don't you look at me like that, Billie. Don't. Been better, and I don't know what I'm crying for. Oh, Billie, why are you crying? Billie, don't cry, please. I have a napkin. Go Cowboys, please. Don't cry. I don't think I could love. Oh, I know damn well her arm is tired. Yes. Take me with you.
But baby, I'll love you till the day that I die.
Ay, güey, pinche trancazo. Damn, is she okay? Somebody get her some Advil. Please, somebody get her some Advil. Buck, I hit my finger. Are you okay? Damn it.
Till the day that
Well, them shoes are done for. It hurts me right here in my brain. It hurts me right here. Why'd you do that to the shoes? Give them to me. Is she okay?
I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die.
Oh my god. She almost got her head. Is that blood? Nah, I don't think so.
I want you to see.
Ooh. My girl talks about a comb and a brush. And look at Billie. Look at the back of her head. Look at right here. She does not care. And my girl, she wakes up like this. And she wants a brush and a comb. Let's just go.
How you look to me.
Oh. That couch looks... Damn! Look how big this door is. Holy shit. Shaq, who is it? Shaq, come out. Please come out.
You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you.
Man, she sings so soft. Stop looking at me like that. Damn it. Oh, it's your birthday. Blow the candles. Yes. Damn it. But yeah, she sings so soft, man, in this song. Oh my lord. I don't know what the hell it's about, but I fucking like it. I want birds or feathers in the video. Don't wear the birds and the feathers, please.
But you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit.
You're full of shit, Billie. Not me. I'm just kidding. Yes, I am. Damn it.
Oh, say you don't see it. Your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit.
Oh, he goes, yes, Billie, do you have a question? Raise your hand if you have a question.
Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for.
Damn it, boy. She sings so soft, man. It does something to me.
I don't think I could love
Billie, yes, you.
might not be love, but baby, I
Oh my God, she's gonna hurt herself. Someone put her down.
don't wanna say goodbye.
Is she on Jackass right now? What? She getting drugged by a bull? By the way, whoever vacuumed this before the video shoot, not one crumb on this carpet. Oh, I lied. You missed the spot. Yes, plug it back in. Get it, please. The vacuum, bring it now. Dude, tell me we all didn't do this shit. Oh man, the plank on the couch. That way, let the blood rush to your head and your brain and your eyes. Oh man, I was seeing things. By the way, these couches are not the same without the plastic. If you know, you know. Grandmas and abuelitas. Oh man, I was sweat in an instant. In an instant. You, I mean you. Oh, here comes the best part. Wait. Did somebody wake up on the wrong side of the bed? Damn it. Oh, she already hit the best part. Look at that form. Billie, where are you going? I don't see you. There she is. Don't look at me like that. That's it? Where's the birds? Where's the feathers? But we had no ads again. Yes, I'm learning how to do this all by my. Ooh, 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 all by my. Ooh. Self, god damn it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Come back for the next video, the next video, the next video. Ooh. The next video, god damn it. Yes, I'm a